Welcome back. If you want to find all your stories activity on the Facebook app on PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can check everything in just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open the main account menu. From there, go down to Settings and Privacy and click on it. A new menu will appear, and this is where Facebook keeps several account options. Next, select Activity Log. This section lets you review and manage different actions connected to your account. Inside the activity log, look for the option that says Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to continue. Now Facebook will show you categories of activity tied to your profile, so you can narrow down exactly what you want to see. After that, click on Stories. Then enter Stories Activity. This is the section where you can find all of your story-related actions in one place. Here, you may see the stories you have posted, viewed, or interacted with depending on what Facebook has stored in your activity history. If you do not see the exact option right away, take your time and scroll carefully through the menu. Facebook often changes the layout with updates, so some buttons may look slightly different, but the path is still the same. The key is to go from your profile photo into Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log, and finally into Stories Activity. And that's it. Now you know how to find all your stories activity on Facebook app on PC with the new update. If this helped, make sure to keep following for more simple Facebook tutorials like this.